at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2018 Harley Davidson CVO Road Glide. This one is in gunship gray. Extremely clean and extremely beautiful bike. Got the completely blacked out 117 cubic inch engine with those Screaming Eagle heads. Beautiful exhaust. We have the bar and shield logo everywhere. Passenger pegs, rider floorboards, and on the grips as well. Extremely comfortable seat with the Harley orange stitching on it. The exhaust tips are really cool. We have engine guards on the front. The rims are beautiful. We've got that two-tone with the matching gray on the inside and the black on the outside. Dual disc braking, has ABS. We also have a heel toe shifter on here. Nice controls. We have that Boom Audio Stage 2 on here. And miles are 3,912. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson, located in San Marcos, California, and we are open and available for test rides 6 days a week. Come check this one out.